Looking for the best electric smoker to level up your BBQ game? Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, I've rounded up the top 5 electric smokers of 2026 that'll bring flavor, convenience, and consistency to your outdoor cooking. Let's dive in. Now let's talk about the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker. It's a smoker made for serious BBQ enthusiasts. The 725 square inch cooking area allows you to smoke larger batches of food, making it ideal for those big family gatherings or parties. One feature that sets this smoker apart is its built-in meat probe, which allows you to track the internal temperature of your meat without opening the smoker. This reduces heat loss and ensures your food is cooked to perfection. What I love about the East Oak smoker is its side chip loader, which lets you load wood chips without interrupting your cooking. This is a game changer for anyone who loves uninterrupted smoking. Plus, it boasts up to 6 times longer smoke times on a single load, so you won't need to constantly refill the smoker with wood chips. The only downside, it's a bit on the bulkier side, so if you have limited outdoor space, it might be hard to find a place for it. But for anyone who loves longer, uninterrupted smoking sessions, this smoker is definitely worth considering. Hold tight. The next smoker combines classic design with digital precision. Next up, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical BBQ smoker, one of the most popular smokers for both beginners and experienced pitmasters. This smoker is packed with digital controls that allow you to set and maintain the temperature with exact precision. It also features a side wood chip loader, so you can add wood without having to open the smoker, maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. With a 710 square inch cooking area, this smoker offers plenty of room for large cuts of meat or multiple racks of chicken and ribs. The digital display makes it easy to monitor the temperature and cooking time. It also comes with chrome-plated racks for durability and easy cleaning. One of the drawbacks is that it's not as portable as some other options, so if you plan to move it around a lot, it might be a little cumbersome. However, if you're looking for a digital smoker with solid performance, this is definitely one to consider. Looking for something compact yet powerful? You'll love the next smoker on the list. Up next is the Cuisinart 30-inch electric smoker, a compact and sleek option for those who want to save space without sacrificing performance. This smoker features 3 adjustable racks and a removable water tray for added convenience. It has a temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you great control over the cooking process. Whether you're smoking pork ribs, fish, or vegetables, you can easily adjust the heat to match your needs. The 2-door design allows you to add wood chips to the smoker without disturbing the meat, which is a nice touch. Plus, the sizable 548 square inches of cooking space is more than enough for family-sized portions. However, one of the downsides is that it doesn't have any digital controls, which means it's less precise than some other smokers. But for those who want a simple, reliable smoker at a reasonable price, the Cuisinart 30-inch is an excellent option. Last but not least, we've got a smoker that combines value with traditional design. The Royal Gourmet SE 2805. This 28-inch analog electric smoker is perfect for anyone who wants a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. It offers a 454 square inch cooking area, which is enough for a medium-sized BBQ. The analog temperature control lets you adjust the heat manually, making it simple to use, even for beginners. One of the standout features of this smoker is the 3 cooking grates, giving you ample space for multiple racks of ribs, chicken, or even brisket. Plus, it comes with a side wood chip loader, so you don't have to interrupt your cooking to add more wood chips. A convenient touch. However, the lack of digital controls means you have to keep an eye on the temperature, and it's not as precise as some digital models. If you're someone who likes a bit more control or is looking for high-tech features, this might not be the right fit. But for a simple and effective smoker, it's a fantastic option. Next, we've got a smoker that's designed for those who want extra cooking space and longer smoke times. Finally, the Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical BBQ smoker, analog, is a back-to-basics smoker with analog controls for those who prefer a more traditional approach to smoking. It features 535 square inches of cooking space, perfect for smaller families or individuals. While it doesn't offer the digital precision of some models, the analog control allows you to adjust the temperature manually, making it great for those who enjoy a hands-on cooking experience. This smoker is compact, easy to use, and delivers excellent results. The only downside, it's not as feature-packed as other models, but if you're looking for a budget-friendly, simple smoker that still gets the job done, this is a great choice. Want the ultimate smoker with modern technology and impressive capacity? We've got that coming up next. And my top pick, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital smoker. With its digital controls, side wood chip loader, and huge cooking capacity, it's the perfect smoker for anyone who wants modern features and consistent results. Plus, it's user-friendly, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced pitmasters. All of these smokers are linked below in the description. Go check them out and find the perfect one for your BBQ needs. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, It's not about buying the most expensive smoker. It's about buying the right one.